Alright guys, so I just got to Destination Daytona. I'm here with 2147 crew, and we've been riding all day. What a beautiful day it is here in Daytona Beach, Florida. It's like a high of 87 today. Again, third day, super hot. We made it over to the Harley dealer. We're gonna check out all the vendors. He's gonna try to get me a Trask performance upgrade for the Road Glide, because as you guys can see in this video, this thing moves up top, guys. This thing makes some killer horsepower. Make sure you go check out his channel, 2147 crew on YouTube. He does a full build breakdown on this bike for you guys, and it makes some killer horsepower. Check out his Trask turbo on there. He's got his aluminum gold swing arm, carbon parts all throughout of this bike. Really cool dude. We've been riding with him all day. We're over here at Trask. I showed him the gold, that gold thing, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, carbon parts throughout, really nice build. Make sure you go check him out, subscribe to his channel. I'll put it up here on the screen. I'll leave a link in the description below as well. But yeah, we're out here, it's hot. We're gonna check out all the vendors and then probably go for a ride. What do you think?
Yeah.
But we're gonna be down at Main Street tonight, so if you're in,
check out Froggy or something.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah,
so
stay out of trouble.
Exactly. If you see us, come say hi, grab some stickers.
Yeah, we'll be there, have a good time.
Yes, sir. All right, guys, so here's Trask's race bike that they race in the BRL Bagger Racing League.
Championship winning bike.
Championship bike, huh?
Yeah.
All right, tell us about this bike here.
All right, so I'm gonna tell you what I know in a super amateur way, but we're gonna give it a shot.
Okay.
So obviously it's all carbon fiber.
Yep.
You see how thin it is?
Yep.
And this is what I was saying about the Ultra Cool. They have this big ass intercooler.
Big intercooler, yeah.
Instead of the oil cooler.
You don't have an intercooler on your bike, do you?
No. So the twin cams come with an intercooler. No, that's an M8. That's actually a turbo system I had before.
Okay.
The Assault.
Okay.
So the turbo systems, the twin cam come with an intercooler, but these don't. They don't.
Okay.
Obviously these it's different.
Right, race bike.
It's a full blown race bike.
So what do you think? Should we take this out and see if Mac wants a shot at the title or what?
Let's do it. Let's do it. Yeah. Hey man, we're coming for you. I'm gonna buy 2 belts, 2 races.
Right.
I'm just kidding. But anyways, man. But yeah, man. So here's the exhaust. You know how mine kind of dips down and goes like that. Yeah. This one just dumps right
open,
here.
open turbo.
Boom, right?
Yeah.
So 28mm Gyro turbo, and so obviously so all the exhaust comes from this header right here.
Yep.
From the header in the front here, and then it comes down here. It shoots up. It spools the plenum, and it spools the plenum here, and it sucks the cold air in, and therefore in this case it goes here, but in ours
it goes direct into the airbox. It goes direct
in here, and if you see right here in the bottom, there's a little hole, right here.
Yep.
That goes into the blow-up valve.
Oh, blow-up valve's up top.
It's on top.
This is wastegate.
Yeah, okay. That's wastegate. And again, Garrett, very respectable wastegate barriers.
Yeah.
And obviously this is for the to regulate the boost and everything like that. So it does it. Now I don't know what boost they're running on here, but normally you're running them at 8 pounds of boost.
So he's got a grudge box in that too.
Yeah, they got grudge boxes. They got obviously custom-made mix controls, and on the other side, I want to say they have a custom-made primary cover. Yeah. So this is a primary cover that they made for more clearance down here.
Oh wow.
That's what it is. And you gotta kind of get out.
Yeah.
For more clearance right here.
Wow, look at that swing arm.
Yeah. So that's a swing arm that they sell.
Okay.
I actually have one at the house.
Okay.
Mine is not on my CVO, but even the chain, you see, to keep it tight, you have the extra
sprocket there. Yeah.
Exactly. So yeah, they have
that ultra cool fan is the way to go.
Yeah. So
now where does it go into? Like where does it plumb into?
So if you look where the oil filter is at.
Yes, just above it.
You take the oil filter out.
Okay.
And then there's like a little washer in there that holds it in, and then you put a bracket in there. I mean, it's like a little bracket, and then you put the two the lines into that bracket. And you basically run it here, and then you mount this to the frame. And you have to put some
mount yours on the frame.
Yeah, you have to mount it to the frame.
How do you mount
it? Ours higher. It's basically some brackets that they have, but they're like rubber mush.
Drill holes into the frame.
No, nothing like that. If that, I wouldn't do that. I don't want to mess with the integrity of the frame.
Frame, yeah.
So, and then there's electrical wiring you have to run to the battery to get power. And then they come with a little option of a light that you can put, so it's like a blue light if it's on. I opted not to get it because I just don't want to mess with mine. Like, oh my god, what is going on? Okay. I can hear it. Yeah. But no, this is actually the same one I have, except for the one that I have is mounted upside. It's mounted
the other way.
The other way.
Yeah. Okay.
So anyway, so that's how it is. It's really not hard to do.
Gotcha. They have their power vision up here. Or what is that? Is that a power bidder?
That's their odometer and stuff like that.
Okay,
Now,
okay.
I really don't know that.
They're probably tuning this on a Thunder Max.
Oh yeah, the Thunder Max. And then boost control stuff right here.
Oh yeah.
Right here. See right here?
Yep.
Yeah, they can
turn up the boost by the dial, huh? You don't have that, right?
Of course not.
Okay.
Yeah. Check and mate, I don't gotta tell you, it makes a world of difference.
Right.
Check and mate will make a world of difference.
Right.
And of course, bearings, brakes, inverted Olin shocks. Like,
yeah, this thing's sweet.
And of course, you have a seat that's higher just to get better lean in.
Yeah,
like,
for sure.
Yeah. You know, duct in here.
No, this thing's sweet.
And you actually turn on the fuel pump right here.
Oh, really? Wow.
Because of the ignition.
Yeah, There's no ignition.
So I guess, you want to try to turn it on? We gotta run though. We gotta run fast. Because Nick will kick her butt.
But yeah, guys, this is their race bike. Really cool piece here. All carbon fiber fairings, of course. It's just crazy what they can do with these things on the road course. I mean, these things are hanging with crotch rockets. Yeah. You know.
Yeah. Yeah, 100%. I mean, you saw what I did with an unexperienced rider at the level of these guys. Yeah. I can still get on it.
Right.
So.
Yeah, I don't know, guys. After meeting 2147 crew here, and after being down here at Trask, it's really making me want to throw a turbo on the Road Glide.
It'll look good.
It looks.
Yours is all black.
Yeah. See, my fear was, you know, is it going to be too hot? Is it going to take rideability away? No, this guy literally rode 900 miles one way from Houston, Texas to Daytona Bike Week. Like, I didn't even ride from Michigan on my bike without a turbo. But anyway, yeah, obviously I couldn't ride just because we have snow at home. But anyway, this guy's a beast. Check out his channel, 2147 crew. Really cool dude. He's been riding with me and my family all day. Really good guy. And yeah, we're here at Destination Daytona, and we're gonna see what other vendors are here. But yeah, shout out to Trask. They make. I do have the Trask vented trans cover.
Yeah, it makes a difference.
Yeah.
That
So
makes a difference.
so I do have something Trask on my bike.
Yeah. Well, that's how it starts.
Yeah, right.
You have a floorboard. You're like, oh, I don't know.
Exactly. So yeah, I don't know. It's definitely on the table. You know, I definitely am interested in putting a turbo on the bike. As far as, you know, cost goes, it is very expensive to do because once you do this, you have to do trans, you have to do other supporting mods to make sure it lasts. So so that's one of those things where I got to just, okay, maybe it'll be next winter's project or something. But
more stock up in parts. They go, look, you hear that?
Right. No, I know. I love that. I love that turbo spool. As you guys know, I have that twin turbo Mustang at home, and I just once you have something turbocharged, you'll never go back.
So I don't know if you can zoom in your camera, but if you look at those right there, that Road Glide right there, I think it's. They told me it's like a 280 horse. Yeah, 280 or it's like about 280 or 250. Wow. But I know the one behind that one right there, it's built by them, and that's I know for sure like 280, 285 to the wheel. Wow. And that's on. I want to say it's it's on probably race fuel, but I want to say it's pump gas too. Okay. So and this is Eric here. He's the guy I talk about all the time. That really nice guy. Yeah. And he's the one that I deal with. And
is that his bike or what?
No, it's a customer's bike. So what happens is when they install them, bro, and we can go look at the engine bay when they install them. They'll install a Thunder Max tuner, have a preloaded tune in there or anything, and they'll ride it 3-4 times, and then be like, okay, you're
gotcha. Okay. Cool.
And that's basically what he's doing. That has a chain drive on it.
Yeah, it does have a chain drive. Yeah.
Oh, the Trask see-through transmission or clutch thing.
Oh yeah.
I like that.
Check this bike out, guys. This thing makes 280 horsepower. Twin cam. What is it? A Softail what? Or no, it's not. It's not a Softail.
It's an FXR with a 143 SNS motor.
Okay. Okay. There it is. You can't tell because it's all powder coated in ice. You know, looks brand new. What year is the frame? What year is it?
It's an old one that's been fully modified.
Gotcha. Yeah.
Wait, you see all this?
All 12 point. Yeah, all 12 point hardware all the way around.
Making an FXR like in 2000.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Wow, this thing's sweet. Got the Alcantara seat, carbon fiber wheels. Very nice.